is Asia. You know, in Asia, India is also there. There are so many countries which are coming under the Asia. So this is Asia. Okay? And this part, the part which is cut by Ural mountain. You know Ural mountain? That part is Europe. And just look under that, there is one continent which is called South Africa.
No, Africa. That is not South Africa, it's Africa.
Now, this is North America. This is South America. And Australia. This is Australia. Okay? Now you should know that there are oceans also. So this is North Pacific Ocean. This is South Pacific Ocean. This is North Atlantic Ocean. This is South Atlantic Ocean. And this is Indian Ocean. Come on, you start.
Indian Ocean.
You start telling.
No.
North Pacific Ocean, North Atlantic Ocean, South Atlantic Ocean, North Pacific Ocean, South Pacific Ocean, North Atlantic Ocean, South Atlantic Ocean.
Okay, fine. Now, you all know Europe country. Huh? See, Sweden is in uppermost area. See, first Norway is there, after that Sweden is there, after that Finland is there. Okay? You see? You also look? Sweden is there. Now we will go to India. Okay? You know, in India and its neighboring country, you have read in your lessons also, India and its neighboring country. Very easy question. Come on, you tell me India and their neighboring countries' name. India is this. Now what are the neighboring countries? Tell me.
Pakistan, Nepal, China, and Iran, Afghanistan, Colombia, Sri Lanka, Myanmar.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
So they are having their boundaries which are attached to India. Okay? Now I will ask you, what is the capital of India? Come on, tell me where it is. Yes, this is Delhi.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Now you know something about Nepal. Nepal is our neighbor country. Okay? Where is Nepal? You tell me. This is Nepal. This is Nepal. Very good. Can you tell me where is Bhutan?
This is Bhutan.
Now can you tell me the globe is straight or it is little tilted? Tilted मतलब होता है झुका हुआ. Can you tell me the globe is straight or tilted? It is tilted. Okay. And you have read that it is slightly bulging in the middle. So this is bulging. Bulging means उभार है. Clear? Now we will go to other continents. Can you tell me some countries of North America? Countries name. Who can tell? Come on, you tell. North America is a continent. Now tell me the country's name.
Mexico,
Mexico.
Mexico, ये है Hermosillo,
नहीं. Okay, fine. Okay, can you tell me this blue lines are there? There are so many blue lines
Yes, sir.
in continents, inside the countries, inside the anything. There are so many this blue lines. No, no, no. Blue line always denotes for river.
Yes.
Okay, inside that, and the blue part, which is in huge place, is now you are looking this blue part. These are oceans. These are water bodies. Okay. Oh. Now you have listened the name of Brazil.
Yes.
We are very famous for football.
Yes.
You have listened the name of Brazil. Now the Brazil is where? In South America. And you have listened the name of Argentina also. They are also very famous for football. Argentina. Both the countries are in South America. Both the countries are in South America. Yes, good. And I have told you, while I was teaching you, a line is there which is called equator. How many people knows what is equator? Can you tell me where is the equator line?
Here.
Yeah, this middle one,
Yeah.
which divides the earth in two parts.
Yes.
First part is called North Hemisphere and second part is called
South Hemisphere.
Equator means in Hindi Bhumadhya
Rekha.
Bhumadhya Rekha. Fine? Achha. Now come to the downside. You have listened about Antarctica. Antarctica you have listened? Yes, please listen. This is Antarctica, okay? So Antarctica is where? In which hemisphere? Southern hemisphere. Okay, fine. Now I will give you a question and you have to look in the globe and you have to tell me where it is. Okay?